Hi children, this is Vijaya here to discuss some general topics. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the states, union territories and the capitals of India in our first video, and along with that we have also discussed about the major languages spoken in India in the second video. Okay, today we shall learn some other topics. Before going to our topic, I ask you to open your scrapbook. All of you open your rough book or keep a special book for GK so that you will be able to write the notes in that. Whatever given in the videos, you can note it down so that it will be useful for you. Okay. Now, after opening your rough book, answer these questions. What is your favorite dress? I would like to memorize your favorites. So I am asking these questions. Note it down. Second question is, what is your favorite food? Next one, what is your favorite festival? What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite tree? What is your favorite flower? If needed, pause the video and answer these questions. Okay. After answering these questions, today we shall learn the national symbols of India. Okay, India is our nation. So we shall learn our national symbols. Okay. Starting with the father of our nation. Who is the father of our nation? Yes, he is the father of our nation. What is his name? Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also call him as Gandhiji. National currency. This is the symbol for our national currency. All of you know, right? This is the symbol for rupee. Rupee is our national currency. Okay. National anthem. What is our national anthem? Before leaving school, we will sing our national anthem and then we leave our school, right? Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay. What is our national song? We start our day in school by singing national song. What is our national song? Yes, this is our national song. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. National language. While discussing about the languages, I told you the two major languages spoken in India are Hindi and English. English is not our native language, but Hindi is our native language. So our national language is Hindi. What is our national language? Hindi. National emblem. This is our national emblem. Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. We can see only 3 lions here. The fourth one is just behind the first one. So it is also known as Ashoka pillar. This is our national emblem. National festivals. So these are our national festivals. So Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. When coming to the order, Republic Day comes first in English calendar. So we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Next, Independence Day. August 15th of August, we celebrate Independence Day. And Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. Okay, these are our national festivals. National sport. What is our national sport? Yes, this is our national sport. Can you name this sport? Yes, this is hockey. Hockey is our national sport. National animal. What is our national animal? Oh, Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. National bird. You all liked it. What is our national bird? You all like it? Our national bird is peacock. Very good. National aquatic animal. Do you know what is meant by aquatic animal? Aquatic means water. The animal which lives in water. The national aquatic animal is this. Do you know the name of this? Yes. Dolphin. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. National flag. All of us know our national flag, right? Yes, this is our national flag. So, tri-colored flag. If you observe our flag, it is having 3 colors. Saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom. In the middle, we are having Ashoka Chakra. This is our national flag. National fruit. Yes, yummy. What is our national fruit? Can you name it? Yeah, one of our favorite fruits, right? Mango. Mango is our national fruit. National flower. What is our national flower? Yes, you all know this flower. Do you know the name of this flower? Yes, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. National calendar. So, this is our national calendar and the name of this calendar is Saka calendar. Okay, Saka calendar is our national calendar. National tree. Do you know our national tree? Can you name this tree? Yes, this is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. National river. This is our national river and the name of this river is River Ganga. River Ganga is our national river. Okay. So, what you have to do is, you have to note all these in your book. I already told you to keep a separate book for GK. Note it down. If needed, pause the video and note it down. Put the heading national symbols of our country India and you write in 2 columns. National, father of our nation, national currency, national language, national river, and write down their names in the second column. Okay. And in the previous video I gave you some riddles, right? Did you find out the answers? Yes, we shall know the answers for those riddles. First question is, what has many keys but can't open a single lock? What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Keyboard. Yes, we are having many keys in our keyboard, but by the help of those keys, can we open a single lock? No, we can't, right? Yes. Where does today come before yesterday? Where does today come before yesterday? In a dictionary. So, T comes before Y. When we go for the alphabetical order, T comes before Y. So, today comes before yesterday in dictionary. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? So, the answer is short. If you add ER to this word, it becomes shorter. Okay. Next question. What goes through cities and fields but never moves? What goes through cities and fields but never moves? Yes, road. Road goes through cities and fields but it never moves. We move on the roads, right? Next. I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stone, and cities with no buildings. What am I? You can give two answers for this. One is map or globe. On globe and map we can see lakes, but can we find water in it? No. We can see mountains, but can we find stone? No. We can see cities, but can we see buildings? No. So this is the answer for this question. And this week I don't want to give riddles. I want to give you some tongue twisters. Okay, tongue twisters helps you to improve your pronunciation. So if needed, pause the video. If needed, watch and watch again so that you will be able to tell these sentences without break. Okay, you have to tell the complete sentence without break. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. The first tongue twister is ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Screaming means loud cry. I too will cry for an ice cream. You too will cry for an ice cream. We all will cry for an ice cream because ice cream is our favorite food item, right? Okay. Coming to the next tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore. She, that may be a girl or woman, sells seashells. Do you know seashells? By the seashore. That means సముద్రం ఒడ్డున ఆమె ఆల్చిప్పలను వీటిని అమ్ముతుంది. She sells, అమ్మడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay. Coming to the next tongue twister. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. When I was a child, I used to confuse between chicken and kitchen. Instead of kitchen, I used to use the word chicken. Instead of chicken, I used to use kitchen. So now I am okay. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. See, I did a mistake, right? I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Okay, నేను ఒక పిల్ల కిచెన్లో చికెన్ తినడాన్ని చూసాను. ఓకే. కమింగ్ టు ద ఫోర్త్ వన్. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 9 మంది నైట్ డ్యూటీ నర్సెస్ చక్కగా ట్రీట్ చేస్తున్నారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఫర్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు tell these sentences without break. That helps you to speak fast and helps you to improve your pronunciation. Okay, and when we are kids we used to tell Telugu tongue twisters also. I want to tell one or two for you. Kakika kakiki kaka kekika. So if we break that, kakika కాకి కాక కేకికా. కేకి మీన్స్ పీకాక్. కాకి కాకికే ఉంటుంది కానీ పీకాక్ ఉండదు కదా, నెమలికి ఉండదు కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ టంగ్ ట్విస్టర్. కాకి కాకి కాక కేకికా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై. నా నూనె నీ నూనెనని నేను అన్నానా, నీ నూనె నా నూనెనని నేను అన్నానా, నీ నూనె నా నూనె నా నూనె. నా నూనె నీ నూనెని నేను అన్నానా, నీ నూనె నా నూనెని నేను అన్నానా, నీ నూనె నా నూనె నా నూనె. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ break the words and learn, then try to tell the complete sentences. That will helps you to memorize, okay, fast, and helps you to improve your pronunciation also. Okay, so you have to in this video we have discussed about the national symbols of our country. I gave you the answers for the riddles and also gave you some tongue twisters. You have to practice well. Okay. If you are interested, you can find some more tongue twisters. You can ask your parents. You can collect some more tongue twisters and practice. Okay. We shall meet in the next video. Bye children.